Video, we're going to go over something that will affect very few people. But if you're having problems transferring coins or transferring euros or resetting your profile information, just different things in the back office, a lot of people, because of their being unfamiliar with the internet, the web technology, they would just point the finger over there at OneLife. However, there are people that want to do what we call private surfing or anonymous browsing of the internet. And when that happens, you're changing some of the behaviors of your internet browser, and some of these are not going to allow certain things to be done within the OneLife back office if you have this private browsing taking place. So for example, here in Firefox, if you click over here, you'll see this new private window, and you can see here that you're browsing the internet privately. So what you see is that there are certain things that are not being saved as a result. Essentially, when you do this, Google is not going to be able to serve you ads because it's not using the cookies on your computer that you've collected. Chrome also has this option, but it's called an incognito window. Okay, cookies, these are very important actually for storing information and being able to interact with websites. So if you don't have these things being saved, you're going to have a different experience with some websites, and OneLife is one of them. So I want you to keep that in mind. Also, if you're using a proxy server, for example, if we were to type in this, what is my IP? This is going to tell me the IP address of my home right here on the Blue Ridge Mountain Electric Membership Co-op. Okay, now the flip side of that is you can use different software. In particular, there's a company here called Hide My Ass, and what they do is they give you the opportunity to take your computer, route through another computer somewhere, and then browse the web that way. So this gives you anonymity. So if we were to go here now and type in what is my IP, it shows me that I have an IP address from Leeds, England, Great Britain. Okay, so the reason that people do this typically is to not be seen, different reasons. But what I want you to be aware of is if you're doing this kind of browsing through a proxy server, whether you're using a piece of software or you're using an online service like this, you may run into some issues. So again, I just wanted to have you tuck this away in your memory so that if you or a team member is experiencing something, this may come up as one of the troubleshooting ideas that you would have.